Hi, my name is Sarah. This is my slide presentation of Carter's ad for First Edition campaign. The original ad shows to the main protagonist a nice, happy, and comfortable child using Carter's clothing. The ad design is simple and inspires confidence because it's a brand which is made to wear it since a child is born. Typography used in this ad is very contrasting. For example, text for name campaign is much smaller than name brand, although both texts are used in sans serif font. The text from bird to bus is based in old-style typeface. Both texts, Carter's and from bird to bus, is flush right aligned. What I realized about color in this ad is that baby clothing and baby color eyes and background are similar, so I tried to search something similar for my new ad. In my new ad, simplicity is the main characteristic following the original ad design. In this ad, I tried to convey a similar message. Always comfortable, because every child needs to feel in that way, regardless activity they do, such as play, sleep, jump, and so on. Typography is also flush, right aligned, and contrasting regarding size and typeface. This is what I talked a while ago. This image contains similar colors, in this case yellow for the happy faces balls, the top note, and some leaves of those trees, which helps to have consistency in the whole ad. This was my ad presentation. Thanks for watching.